And after learning about the Tartaria tablets, I go as far as possible from parties and from people to a Dacian town conquered by Traian himself. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the beautiful town of Deva and its magical fortress. I just love being just alone.